Hey, what's going on YouTube? You're watching Exquisitemad. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today, actually out at a one of the largest and most prevalent car transport companies in the entire country. Going to be refinishing another one of their Peterbilts. Most of these Peterbilts are custom made. They're beautiful trucks, but of course we are going to make it look absolutely amazing. It's going to look a lot better. It's going to look exquisite. So let me show you the before. I'm going to give you a walk around, and then I'm going to get straight into the actual polishing and make these turn out absolutely gorgeous. Just wrapped up, and been a very long day. As you can see, the Peterbilt looks 100% better than what it did, and gonna give you a walk around, let you see it. Tomorrow I'm gonna be working on a Kenworth over here. Gonna be working on that tomorrow. Let me show you the results here. So I'm gonna start with the wheels, then I'm gonna show you the tanks, the boxes. So let me go ahead and show you.